He was in the chair, but now he's nowhere. It's a dream. It's a very bad dream. It's a nightmare. When the lightning cracks, I know he'll come back and sit in that chair once again. He was in the chair, but now he's nowhere. It's a dream. It's a very bad dream, a recurring nightmare. When the lightning cracks, I know he'll come back and sit in that chair once again. Because I know him, he likes to dance in the rain. Because I know him, he'll sit in that chair again. Because I know him, he likes to float on the breeze. Because I know him, like an eagle he returned to me. Till then I may yearn, but I know he'll return on the breeze, coming back to me. Like an eagle in the sky, I know he's got his eye on the chair in my living room. On the chair in my living room. On the chair in my living room.